Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm here with this Hitschler and it's Volles Rohr. It's 100% veggie, so anything on which is there. So these are the flavors, and strawberry, some blueberry, some apple maybe, orange, gooseberry. It's written in some other language. The pack size is 125 gram. So it's an apple, blueberry, strawberry and orange. Quite nice. These are quite tangy because I have tried one or two before means some other packets. Oh, it has some kind of white in middle. I didn't know. So this is how it is. Some, I think, blueberries, strawberry, orange, green apple. Let me taste it. The middle part is little sweet and the outer is like they have put some sugar toppings, really thin, and it's quite tangy and mixed flavor, tangy sweetness. So it's nice. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care.